not very often that you have an SME with its own R&D division. This week on Small Talk, we take a look at Aerofume, where R&D plays an important part in the development of new products. It's easy to overlook how important scents are in our lives. Scented products are so common nowadays, and it's easier still to overlook the amount of research that goes into the development of scented products. At Aerofume, though, none of this is taken for granted. Before the company introduces a new product, there are certain steps it takes. Step 1, obtaining market knowledge, engaging market researchers to find out what consumers like and dislike. Step 2, coming up with a concept and design. Step 3, getting a manufacturer to build a prototype of the product. At the same time, Aerofume conducts an application test on the fragrance.
Actually, for our industry, the main test is an application test. So sometimes we need to ensure that the material and the fragrance is suitable to our applications, because we want to ensure the fragrance when we apply into our formulation, our what they call together with other chemicals, which is stable. End of the day, some of the fragrance may happen, so separations, this and that, you see. So we put all the ingredients together and make it into finished product, you see. So sometimes the what they call the chemical base is not as you expected, you see.
The fourth and final step is the actual product test, where samples of the product are given out. The company receives comments and feedback and reworks a product if it has to. The entire R&D process on a product can take up to 4 months. It was R&D which started Aerofume on the track of coming up with its own line of products. The company started out as an original equipment manufacturer 10 years ago, but was coming up with product designs and conducting its own R&D for its clients. Branching out on its own was a natural progression. Lau concedes, though, that the industry is challenging. Marketing and listing costs are high. The company often has to pay big sums to retailers to put its products on their shelves. Materials are expensive, especially petroleum derivatives such as plastic. And labor doesn't come cheap. Aerofume is proudly Malaysian and has so far resisted the use of cheap foreign labor. But an environment of rising costs isn't going to stop Lau from wanting more for Aerofume.
Throughout these 3-4 years, we are in Malaysia and our product has been distributed throughout the whole Malaysia already. I think it's time for us to explore further to overseas next year.
And that's a wrap for this evening's 7 edition. I'm Florence Louis. Thanks for watching and have a good week ahead.